Hello everyone. Today, we are going to walk through how to use Cash App Afterpay when you are shopping in a store. This method lets you split your purchase into payments while still checking out quickly and easily at the register. First, open your Cash App on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. Before going to the store, you need to confirm that your Afterpay account is already linked to your Cash App account. Once the accounts are linked, you can browse Afterpay in the app to see if the store you are visiting accepts Afterpay for in-store purchases. When you are ready to make a purchase in the store, open your Afterpay app and select the In-Store tab. From there, you can create a single-use barcode or payment code. This code is what the cashier will scan or enter when you check out. Before you generate the code, Afterpay will show you your spending limit and a breakdown of your payment schedule so you can confirm you are comfortable with the purchase. That is all you need to do to use Cash App Afterpay in a store.